Alright, boys and girls, I hope you're excited about this lesson. I know I am. I love creating creatures and monsters and aliens. So that's what we're going to create today. We're going to create one in a little flying saucer, a UFO, a spacecraft, and it's going to have a little alien or monster in it. Mine's going to be friendly. I hope yours will be too. So let's have some fun and draw together. Here we go. So I'm going to start by drawing a slightly curved line. This is going to be where the glass dome of my spaceship meets the base, where the engine comes from. So I'm going to create a big smile. And mine's not going to be centered, or it's not going to be exactly tilted correctly. I'm going to have mine tilted off to the side, just because I think that's fun. Now I'm going to create my little spaceship base by adding 2 diagonal lines, and it might even go off the side, and that's okay. I always have my extra paper under here just in case, and then I'm going to add another curved line to connect the two. And again, if it goes off the side, it's okay. So imagine it hits right there. Ta-da! Alright, now I'm going to create the little dome where my little alien's going to live, because, you know, he might breathe other things, but definitely can't breathe in space. So I'm going to add a big old curve line. It's going to kind of make a circle when it connects to the base. So I'm going to make it as big as possible, just like that. Now I'm going to add some little landing gear. So I'm going to add 2 lines and then an almost oval, 2 lines, and almost an oval. They're not the same, whoopsies, but that's okay. I'm not worried about that. Now I'm going to add some little bolts and windows and buttons, so you can add as many or as few as you wish. I'm just going to add 3 little circles, and you can color these in with any colors you want. And I'm going to add a little detail at the bottom. Awesome. Alright, now it's time for my alien. Now you guys can draw any type of alien you want to. I might switch to pen just because I love thick lines with thin ones. So I might change and add a different kind of line. So I'm going to start with the head. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do pencils just so I can erase. So I'm just going to draw a curved line, but you can make it a wavy, a wiggly line, whatever you want. This is going to be the head of my monster. And then I'm going to add a big old eyeball. You can add as many or as few as you want. And then, of course, I'm going to add a little circle in the middle for his pupil. And I'm going to give him a nice big smile, because he's very happy to be going home in space. And I'm going to give him some little antennas, because he is an alien. But you can give him wacky hair, you can give him ears or horns, whatever you want to. And now I'm going to have fun adding more details. Alright, so I had lots of fun decorating my monster and outlining him. So I went ahead and outlined him with my pen, or you can use a marker, dark color pencil, whatever you have. I added a little shine spot because I wanted to look like glass. And now I'm going to have fun coloring. And I can't forget about this background. Oh, I'm going to add lots of crazy stuff back here. You can add stars, you can add all kinds of stuff. So I might add some fun little stars in the background. Whatever you want. It's your imaginary place. right, boys and girls, I hope you guys had fun making your little space alien. I know I did. So I'll see you next time.